Nou,
Hoe dit gebeur dat hierdie hoed op jou kop gekom het?
ek kan baie goed vertel.
Ek dink die kykers sal wel weet.
Baie welkom by die BDK.
What is this beat I'm feeling? What is the sound I'm hearing? Could it be the beating of my heart? I lay awake at night cause the thrill of life is just too big, and it makes me happy. I will dance and I will leap, I will run through fields of fire till I cannot stand no more. And I will dance and I will love with all I've got till the last drop in me. So dance, dance and slow dance when you're sad, but make sure you don't stop dancing and living and laughing. Love, love, love more and love always, and make sure you don't stop dancing. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. Can you feel the beat now? Do you hear the rhythm now? It's pulsing, it's pulsing, it's pulsing through you. Can you feel the beat now? Do you hear the rhythm now? It's pulsing, it's pulsing, it's pulsing. Calling you to dance, dance a slow dance when you're sad, but make sure you don't stop dancing and living and laughing. Love, love, love more and love always, and make sure you don't stop dancing. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. What is this beat?
Gone away, I wish you disappeared. All that's left is a ghost of you. Brilliant. My love is pure.
Bow, 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 summer of '69.
En hoe gaat het tweede vers?
None of the mission complaining.
Hoekom sok je niemand nie?
Job to
oor. Fokus in oor, want die video kan nie op nie live nie.
Ja.
Hy wil jou uitkyk.
Wat net maar aan bedoel toe hy gesê het. Hy wil jy uitkyk.
Okay, is cool. Ja, die gesprekke raak al hoe laer kwaliteit.
Of hoër kwaliteit.
Van wat bedoel jy?
Okay.
Join hulle hou aanneem, gaan aan.
'n foto geneem. Hy neem 'n video van hoe ons voor die tyd sit en chat. Hy sê die vrou vir ons wil chat. Maar dit is so random nie.
Hou maar net aan.
Want jy sien ek praat en dan keer maar dit kos so fyn. Maar dit is altyd so, ja.
Spreek daar aan, hè.